Starting around 19 July 2023, Theta organization especially is exchanging at 77 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta explicitly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $773,779,876, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,366,952. This generally makes Theta organization, Theta, positioning at 52 in the digital currency market. Or so they most certainly thought. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization generally be by and large worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Theta organization an essentially wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will Theta cost really outperform its unequaled high? These for the most part are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which by and large is very critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to basically cross a kind of normal value level of 93 cents. The normal most certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to essentially be 90 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Theta can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $1, or so they really thought. Theta value gauge July 2023. The Theta organization figure for July 2023 expects that the Theta may in every practical sense arrive at a really greatest worth of 82 cents with a base cost of around 72 cents, genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the typical value, Theta can sort of stretch around 80 cents for July, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Theta organization certainly is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a sort of typical cost of 82 cents. While the coin could exchange between a really limit of 85 cents and a by and large least of 78 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Theta organization value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the truly greatest cost for Theta organization could in every practical sense stretch around 89 cents in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in September 2023 sort of is 81 cents, with a typical cost of 85 cents in an essentially large manner. Theta organization value gauge October 2023. The normal cost of Theta organization, Theta, could in every practical sense go to 88 cents toward the finish of October 2023 in a huge manner. Theta could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of 92 cents, with the exceptionally least expected cost of 85 cents in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization, Theta, value figure November 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for November 2023 may in a real sense arrive at least worth of 87 cents, while the in every practical sense greatest gauge cost explicitly is around 96 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. The essentially normal cost for Theta is by and large anticipated to reach 91 cents in November 2023 in a very enormous way. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Theta organization in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 90 cents and $1 and in every practical sense, significant way. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 93 cents in a sort of huge manner, Theta organization certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network as cost most certainly has shown a kind of good increment of 1.83% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. From most recent 7 days, the Theta fundamentally was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0.51% in an extremely significant manner. Theta organization explicitly has shown exceptionally in every way that really matters, solid for the most part potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which is very huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta truly diminished by 33.180%. Wiping out an incredible really normal amount of 38 cents from its in every practical sense current worth, or so they in every way that really matters thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be in every practical sense, great in every practical sense purchase a potential open door for buy and large speedy speculation, which especially is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 26.59%, and the cost for the most part circled from a genuinely least all things considered, normal cost of 97 cents to in every way that really matters, greatest especially normal cost of $1.06 in the truly beyond 90 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. In for the most part most recent 4 months Theta organization certainly has shown a developing pattern in a very significant manner. Hence, we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, or so they in a real sense thought. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization by and large is expanded from 4 months, which really shows that this in every practical sense makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 52 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, truly further appearance how besides Theta can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of $1 in a huge manner. The coin especially is up by 2.56%, with the very greatest certainly normal cost of the coin sort of was around 78 cents, and the base in every practical sense. Normal cost of really was around 76 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. So the 90 days cost change generally is near 26.59%, and the cost coursed from an essentially least fundamentally normal cost of 97 cents to truly most extreme truly normal cost of $1.06 in the kind of beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value figure 2023 facts. What will by and large be Theta organization worth in 2023? Which especially is genuinely huge. The Theta cost truly is gauged to sort of arrive at and in every practical sense, most extreme degree of $1, with genuinely least cost of 90 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Does Theta organization by and large have a future as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Theta organization in every practical sense has a remarkable truly potential to basically arrive at new levels, showing how Theta organization, Theta, value estimate November 2023, the Theta organization, Theta, cost for November 2023, may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of 87 cents, while the greatest gauge cost basically is around 96 cents, which generally is very huge. It explicitly is estimate that Theta will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Theta organization can fundamentally stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $4.61 till 2030, exhibiting how inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta